In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a reminder email in Gmail using a simple trick that will only take about 5 minutes. We all know how essential it is to keep our schedules organized and our tasks in check. Setting email reminders is a great way to ensure we stay on top of important messages and never miss a deadline. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Google homepage. Once you're there, take a moment to look at the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see the sign in button. Go ahead and click on it. If you're not already logged into your Google account, you'll be prompted to enter your login details here. Make sure to use the account that you want to set reminders for, as this will take us to the next step in our process. After successfully signing in, you should see your Google profile picture appear where the sign in button used to be. Now from here, click on the grid icon which is located close by. This will bring up a menu of Google apps, and what we're interested in is Gmail. Click on Gmail. This will navigate you to your Gmail inbox, displaying all your existing emails. Once you are in your Gmail dashboard, let's focus on how you can set a reminder. Look towards the left side of your screen. Here you should see a panel with options like Compose, Inbox, and so on. Scroll down this panel until you find the Tasks option, which is located towards the bottom of the list. Click on Tasks. When the Tasks window opens up on the right side of your Gmail interface, take a moment to familiarize yourself with what you see. This is where you can manage your tasks alongside your inbox. To create a reminder, click on the Add a Task button. Enter the details of the task that you want to be reminded of. It could be something like send follow-up email to client or check on project milestones. After entering the task, it's time to set the due date. Click on the calendar icon associated with your task. From here you can select the date and time when you want to be notified about this reminder. This simple trick ensures that your reminders sit alongside your emails, keeping everything organized in one place. It's also an excellent way to visually track your tasks with their corresponding deadlines, making your workflow even smoother. And just like that, you've set a reminder email in Gmail. Being able to use tasks effectively can help streamline your daily activities and ensure your important tasks don't slip through the cracks. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful and straightforward. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this one.